I'm going to do a quick video on fixing the Jeep Renegade taillight. I got a notification on the dash that the taillight and the backup light went out at the same time, and since both of them were out together, I was figuring it was more than just a bulb. And it turns out it's a pretty common occurrence with these, that the ground wires, and if I can show you in there, get burned out. And so you got that tiny little ground wire trying to carry all the current. So this is what I did to fix it, because apparently they recommend a new one of these and a new connector, and just the parts alone is almost $200. So first, to get the light out, you pop this little door off, and then inside there's a hole that this plastic wing bolt goes through. So you unscrew that guy, and then the whole light assembly just pulls right off the back. And when you pull it out, you can't pull it all the way out because there's this plug here, so you need to press on this little back end here in order to pull that out. Now the ground wire is the middle one here, and I've already cut it. So I've cut that off there and just spliced in a little section with a blade connector there on this end. Now this part they're calling the circuit board, which is just basically a bunch of stamped sheet metal melted into some plastic housing. And the ground, let's set this down, second point. The ground wire or plate is this one here, and you can follow it, goes around to hit all these. And all I did was put a bolt through here. My first hole was too close to the edge there, so I drilled the second hole there. I'm gonna throw a little silicone in there, and that's it. I just put the little wire, the other end of the blade connector in there, and put this all back together. This guy fits into here like that, 4 screws. And I want to plug it in. I gotta plug that guy in and plug that guy in because it still has the 4 good connections. And that's about $1 fix compared to an almost $200 fix. So hope this helps somebody. Thanks.